Slight chance of showers in the afternoon.
Whoa.
Highs in the mid-70s.
1 second. Wait.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownville, or 8 miles south of Perth Amboy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Clue, Northeast River and Hannibal Grace. Severe thunderstorm watch number 235 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following Pawtucket River.
Wait.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage. Forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Drum Point this afternoon. South winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot.
Uh-oh, I lost it.
Showers and thunderstorms. Tonight. Now markers 82 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean.
Cool.
The National